I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for the May 8th to 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel, no? Catered for our international audience. So, marami tayong pag-uusapan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate po sa konti lang ng reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. So, Virgo, nakakita ko na ang mga nangyayari, no, sa paligid natin, sa buhay natin, sa mga taong nakakasalamuha natin. Meron siyang reason, whether it is for happiness or for learnings. Even us, no? Hindi yung bawat oras, ng bawat araw, nasa magandang mood tayo. Sometimes meron tayong nasusungitan, sometimes meron tayong mga, natitrigger tayo. We can be a blessing to that specific moment in time, to the person, or we can be a lesson, no? So sometimes hindi natin masasabi, no? Siguro nasa proper timing nga yan. It could be you na pwede maging blessing or learnings, no, doon sa ibang tao. Or it could be that this energy, whether it is an event, situation, or even a person, can be a learning or a blessing, no, sa buhay mo. The Page of Pentacles of Virgo, the 10 of Pentacles, and the Queen of Vessels. Para kasing hinahanap natin dito yung passion natin. Hinahanap natin kung saan tayo mag-grow. Hinahanap natin kung saan tayo, kung saan natin also ilalabas yung creativity natin, no? When it comes to finances or wealth, siguro either meron na tayong pangpuhunan, meron na tayong enough funds, or kahit pa paano may funds tayo, no, to invest on something. Pero syempre ang hirap naman pakawalan, no, nitong pera. Especially pera pinag-uusapan, kung hindi natin alam kung paano gagawin, kung paano magsisimula. Of course, siguro nandito tayo sa part na kapag nilabas ko ito, I wanna make sure na kikita ako or maibabalik sa akin, no? Nandun na rin naman tayo if in case na gusto ko mag-business. Siyempre, no, if-foresee ko rin na baka pwedeng hindi maibalik yung entire business, pero ayoko malugi. Wala naman talaga din nag-business ng palugi. Ang sinasabi natin dito, chances are, gusto natin magsimula na sure tayo, no? And that is through learnings probably, or really finding your passion, no, kung saan ito dadalhin. Ganon din naman sa career. Probably, you might be in a specific situation right now, company, department, no, na sabihin natin Yes, nagtatrabaho tayo dun. We're also doing our best. Pero for the sake of survival, yun naman kasi talaga yan. Sino ba ang nagpasimula, no? Or nag-invento ng pera? Of course, we need to survive. Hindi sa ayaw natin yung trabaho natin. Hindi sa ayaw natin yung ginagawa natin. Well, siguro somehow, no? Pero hindi naman natin binabalasubas, no, yung trabaho. But we also want to be part of an organization or do the service kung nasaan yung puso mo. Kung nasaan ikaw nag-grow, kung saan mo nakikita yung productivity, creativity mo. No? When it comes to singlehood, dun sa mga singles, it felt like siguro na-feel mo sa sarili mo na you're ready, no? Step by the step, no? Gusto mong sumakses. Ayan. Kasi parang nakikita mo dito na you're somehow prepared. Ang kulang na lang, no, is the jowa talaga. We're talking about a relationship now, okay? Siguro sinasabi mo dito, oh yes, medyo nandun na ako sa part na I really wanted to open myself for some new adventures in my life, especially with this department or aspect of my life when it comes to romance. No, crushes or no labels, I feel like meron ka ng mga investments with regard to your person. We can call it your person kasi siya naman yung pinagtutuunan mo ng pansin. So, there's no way for us to call that person. But your person kasi devoted naman tayo doon. But hopefully we can call that person your person because there's commitment. Ang sinasabi mo kasi dito, I already invested time, energy, effort, and probably some gifts, no? I am just waiting for that reciprocation. I think medyo papasok dito yung sa third party situation kasi I already invested then with all my might, no? With all my power para maging sa akin lang siya. Only mine, no? I don't want anyone to to share this person, no? Hindi sa pagiging sakim, but with the norm, it isn't the norm, no? Morality wise, gusto ko naman somewhat matawag na legal, no? When it comes to relationship and married couple, nakikita natin dito, I feel like binuhos mo talaga itong iyong damdamin dito sa person na ito. It just so happened that the person might probably not giving you enough attention, affection, or probably nababawasan. And you want to look back on the situation or in the past, no? Walking down memory lane na where everything is fine and itong person ito is nag-i-invest. Ganon din naman itong mga nasa separation, no? It felt like gusto ko namang maulit kung itong mga bagay na sabihin natin pinagdaanan namin before, lalo na nung okay pa kami, no? Let's get some more cards. The Emperor, the Hermit, and the World card. Napakaganda nitong flow ng energy, especially the last three cards. These are all major arcana, so which means this is also very powerful. Virgo, kasi ang nakikita natin, and this is very Virgo, the Hermit card, no? So, ang sinasabi natin dito, someday I wanna be on top of, this dynamic. Let's say, when it comes to finances, gusto ko namang hindi lang ako yung nag-i-invest. Meron din ako ditong bawi. Meron din ako ditong yung masasabi nating nag-grow ako, not just monetary. Also the power, nandiyan na yan. The Emperor is there, but also the knowledge. Yun yung gusto ko eh. No, siguro yung passion mo dito is more of gusto ko makapasok or pumasok sa isang business na meron akong natututunan. Meron din ako na i-share, no? Somewhat parang nagiging, ang tawag dito, meron tawag dun eh. Parang leadership, no? Influence doon sa mga tao, no? And I want to change life. So sana magkaroon ka nga ng masyado maraming pera because your heart, no, is very pure when it comes to helping people. When it comes to the career and job, no, parang sabi mo dito, I wanna exceed, no, and push the limit of, my own expectation even to myself. I wanted to sabihin na kasi natin ditong meron kang gustong patunayan, no? So, hindi lang siguro sa ibang tao, more than that, patunayan sa sarili mo. There may be times na siguro minaliit mo rin yung sarili mo, probably because of the past failures. When it comes to, pero nakakita ko talaga ng malaking pagbabago. Alright? And I think that this is going to happen this week because of the vision. No? Singles, chances are, ang nakikita natin dito, no? Uunahin mong baguhin yung perception mo when it comes to love. And I think that this week, either tataasan mo yung standards mo, may babawasan mo yung standards mo. It doesn't matter. Something in you are going to change. The world card is, it may be 160, 380 degrees, no, changes. 180 and 360. There you go. Changes. Or pwedeng mga konting, angles lang to tweak on something. One thing's for sure, changes for the betterment and also for the growth, no? Yun yung nakikita kasi natin dito. Elevations are here, no? Apart from the elevations, nakakita ako dito ng enlightenment, of course, with the Hermit card. Positioning-wise, or having a position, I feel like this is going to happen. Position, especially also with the third party, you're gonna be positioned into something that probably you're gonna feel, that you are powerful. Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko po sabihin sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dyan po ako nagla-live, no? Pwede kayong sumali. If in case hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong sa comment section, no? Doon po kayo magtanong as long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. The number is there for payment purposes. Please don't call, no, especially if the call is not expected dahil minsan po nag-video tayo, no? So I only posted the number for payment purposes. Ayan. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be your sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing a Virgo. I am seeing Aries. Aquarius is also in here. Leo, Pisces, Taurus, Capricorn. Ayan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best.